Are you looking to get slapped with an SEC fine? Of course not. My best guess is that's what's keeping you from adding client testimonials to your marketing plan. But when you ignore the door the SEC opened up for you, you're holding your business back from growth potential. Testimonials are one of the most powerful ways to build social proof. Imagine your prospects hearing from your clients telling great stories about you before you ever start the conversation about working together. That's what happens when you put a testimonial video on your website. But you can screw it up. Here are 5 things the SEC wants you to do. Have your clients sign a release form before you start using their endorsement and keep it on file. Disclose on screen that these people are your clients. By the way, don't get testimonials from folks you don't work with or relatives of any of your team members. It makes their endorsement less legit. You must disclose on screen whether the testimonial was paid or not. You'll create stronger social proof if you don't pay for it. Never use a testimonial that mentions investment performance. The SEC hates that. And always ask if you can use their name. This one isn't an SEC requirement, but testimonials are more credible when a first and last name is included. Don't be slapped with a fine for stepping out of line. And don't be fearful because your clients have a lot of great things to say, and your prospects should hear it. Need help creating and promoting client testimonial videos? Join our Trust Builder Toolkit webinar with Intentionally on June 12th. Register with the link below.